Winter roads are no joke. Slippery turns, black ice, and heavy snow can turn any drive into a challenge. But with the right set of tires, you can conquer the cold with confidence. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 best winter tires of 2025, built for performance, safety, and control in the harshest conditions. Whether you're navigating icy city streets or snow-covered highways, we've got the best options for you. Let's dive in. At number 5, we have the Pirelli P Zero Nero All-Season P245/45 R19102H XLBW. While technically an all-season tire, the P Zero Nero All-Season earns its place thanks to solid winter performance for drivers in mild snowy regions. Its asymmetric tread design ensures confident cornering and traction in wet, slushy, and lightly snowy conditions. With a 102H XL load index, it's ideal for high-performance sedans and crossovers. The silicon-enhanced tread compound improves grip on cold, damp roads, while variable pitch sequences reduce road noise for a comfortable ride. It doesn't compete with dedicated snow tires in deep snow or on icy roads, but for those who don't face extreme winter weather, this tire offers excellent versatility year-round. Its performance, longevity, and price make it a dependable option for those looking to avoid seasonal tire swaps while still maintaining a confident grip through winter's lighter touch. If you're in a temperate climate but still want peace of mind in colder months, this one's worth considering. At number 4, we have the Continental VikingContact 7 Winter 235/55 R19105H XL. The Continental VikingContact 7 is a standout in severe winter conditions, offering excellent traction on snow, ice, and wet roads. Designed with an advanced Nordic compound and directional tread pattern, it provides outstanding grip in freezing temperatures. The interlocking sipes increase block stability and reduce braking distance on icy surfaces. Its wide grooves effectively channel slush and water away to prevent hydroplaning, making it ideal for SUVs and crossovers. The 105H XL rating ensures load-carrying strength and enhanced performance at higher speeds. What sets it apart is its quiet and comfortable ride. Rare in winter-specific tires. With strong durability and even wear, the VikingContact 7 delivers consistent winter performance season after season. If you're looking for a winter tire that balances confidence, comfort, and control in the harshest weather, the VikingContact 7 deserves a spot on your shortlist. At number 3, we have the Nokian Tyres Hakkapeliitta R5 235/45 R1898 TXL. The Nokian Hakkapeliitta R5 is built for the harshest Arctic-style winters, offering next-level grip and control without needing studs. This non-studded winter tire features Nokian's Arctic Grip crystals embedded in the tread compound, creating microbite particles for superior ice traction. It also boasts aggressive siping and multi-angle grooves that provide remarkable snow grip and braking power. Designed for energy efficiency, it reduces rolling resistance and improves fuel economy while maintaining cold weather flexibility. The 98 TXL rating makes it suitable for larger vehicles while preserving responsive handling. One of its standout qualities is how quiet it runs even on icy, uneven surfaces. For drivers who want environmentally friendly, studless performance without sacrificing safety or control, the Hakkapeliitta R5 is a top choice. Nokian's reputation for cold weather innovation truly shines with this tire, perfect for extreme northern climates. At number 2, we have the Bridgestone Blizzak WS90 245/45 R1799H XL. The Bridgestone Blizzak WS90 has long been a favorite for winter warriors, and with good reason. This tire is engineered with an advanced multi-cell compound that wicks water away from ice, maximizing grip and reducing the risk of sliding. The directional tread pattern improves snow acceleration and braking, while the 3D sipes maintain block stiffness for enhanced handling. With its 99H XL load rating, the Blizzak WS90 is ideal for sedans and coupes that require extra load support during winter travel. It performs exceptionally in icy conditions, offering confidence-inspiring control and short stopping distances. Though it wears slightly faster than some competitors due to its soft compound, Its ice and snow performance is among the best in class. If your winters include frozen roads and heavy snowfall, the WS90 gives you peace of mind and proven safety. And at number 1, we have the MICHELIN X-Ice Snow 225/50 R18XL99H. The MICHELIN X-Ice Snow sits at the top for its exceptional combination of snow grip, long-lasting durability, and a smooth, quiet ride. Engineered with the Michelin FlexIce 2.0 compound, it adapts to changing winter conditions with ease, maintaining flexibility in freezing temps while offering firm grip in wet or dry cold climates. Its aggressive V-shaped tread pattern and deep sipes provide remarkable traction and braking on snow and ice. This tire also boasts a 99H XL load rating, perfect for SUVs, crossovers, and larger sedans. Notably, the X-Ice Snow has one of the longest tread life ratings in the winter category, giving drivers more value over time. It's also EV compatible, designed to handle the added weight and torque of electric vehicles. For drivers looking for premium winter performance without compromise, the MICHELIN X-Ice Snow is a clear leader and the best all-around choice for 2025. Thanks for watching. Stay safe on the road, and don't forget to check the links in the description for the best winter tire deals. Snowflake Automobile.